Suppose two numbers 19 and 5 are given. On dividing 19 by 5, the quotient and the remainder obtained are 3 and 4 respectively. We can write 19 is equal to, in brackets, 5 multiplied by 3 plus 4. Here, it is to be noted that the remainder 4 is a non-negative number less than the divisor 5. As per the method of division of polynomials, dividend polynomial is equal to divisor polynomial multiplied by quotient polynomial plus remainder polynomial. If we denote the dividend polynomial by p of x, divisor by g of x, quotient by q of x, and remainder polynomial by r of x, then p of x is equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Here, r of x is equal to 0, or the degree of r of x is less than the degree of g of x. If r of x is equal to 0, then p of x is equal to g of x into q of x. And hence, g of x and q of x are the factors of p of x. Let us divide p of x is equal to x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 5 by x plus 1. Here, the remainder is minus 11. Note that in the division of two integers, the remainder is always a non-negative integer, while in the division of two polynomials, remainder can be a negative integer.